Wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our Forex Morning Call. In the last of trading day of this week, it's Friday, still September and 23rd. I hope you are happy because, my opinion, happiness is a decision you can make every day fresh in the morning. So my question, did you make the decision this morning to be happy today? It's a decision, and it's not depending from circumstances. It's not depending from other people. It's just a decision you can make in your heart every morning and every day. Marius, good morning. Aurel, nice to have you here in the show. And good morning to my listeners and viewers here on Traders Yard. Okay, let's go. And before we start, the general risk warning: trading with stocks and financial assets can expose your capital to substantial risk. Willie, good morning. Possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. Okay, let's go. And we start with the numbers that we are expecting today. Nothing really important. The big numbers yesterday were out. Fed, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, and of course, British pound. And we will see this had a lot of impact to the prices. Alexandro, good morning. Okay, we expect S&P Global Composite PMI today at 9:30 from Germany. European Monetary Union, same 10 o'clock PMI. Then 10:30, Great Britain, PMI September. And 2:30 this afternoon, retail sales Canada. Is it Canada? Yeah. And USA, Mr. Powell has a speech this evening at 8 p.m. after the Fed. So maybe we will have a little bit impact about the numbers today, but as a trend follower, you have to stick to the rules all the time. Thomas, wonderful. Good morning. Okay, let's go to the trades. So where we are. First of all, where is my so-called point of control? A little bit changed, a little bit down to 12,700, but it stays here around. So nothing happens, by the way. But what you could see during the rest of the week, yeah. So we were here deep in the green zone, yeah. We were up in the green zone. We came back to the red one. We go down to the green one, lower prices. We come back to the fair price again, and now we are circling. And now we have this kind of triple or more time low here. And I guess the price could go back to the point of control. It's not so far the distance, but basically, the point of control pulls the price always kind of back, except the point of control will move to another price. But this, maybe there is a kind of volume zone, which is not so far away from the point of control. Otherwise, I think this will keep around the next days here, 12,700. Unless the price will stay here in the next days, then it could be possible that the point of control switch here to this lower price. So what's about the trend? Let's see. And the trend is facing up and down. So, and there was a great chance to go down yesterday, and you could see it here. Really, really cool. If you understand how to draw the trend, and if you have your emotions under control, then you could see, oh, wonderful. Look at this one. There was trend on number 2. There was the correction, 100% without breaking the trend. There was the balance candle, great. There was your anti-chance, and you see there was another 70% hit because we break through the last point 2 and we had a trend continuation. So, and this is enough, for example, as a trend follower, trail the stop into profit, and you are still in, by the way. So, but Of course, you can also take the money here. It's your working style. So, but on the other hand, there is still the uptrend, yeah, and the uptrend has not broken yet. So there was a couple of chances to go long after this balance candle. There was a long chance, and then you are still in if you have a stop loss below the last 0.3. So the last chance was this morning here with those balance candles to go long. Yeah, so the target is always the 70% hit quote, the last 0.2 up. So this could be a great chance. So now, if you are a real trend follower and you trade DAX 40 in 50 minutes, or maybe any other product, it's just a product, just a name for a product, we trade prices, then you have two positions open, a running short and a running long, because you will never know which trend will continue. You must, as a trend follower, you must be prepared for both sides. Okay, great. Let's go one time frame higher in DAX 40, 1 hourly chart. And actually in 1 hourly chart, there is no trend, by the way. The long is broken, the previous down is broken, the fresh down is broken. We had high impacts yesterday. So actually on the right side of the chart, in hourly chart, there is no trend yet. What's about 4 hourly chart? In 4 hourly chart, we still have the long and the short. And that was yesterday an interesting short signal. Here was your balance candle again. Yeah, so there was the chance, but maybe it's not filled yet. But I would set a pending order, stop sell on the way down. Also, I must be prepared in case that the trend will continue to the upper side. So I would set a stop buy order on the way down, on the way up, because the trend is not broken yet, just fake breakouts on the lower side. If you want to recognize what is a fake breakout, how to draw the trend perfectly, I highly recommend to grab the course on my homepage. There you will learn everything. And I did 2 new updates this week. And to the end of this weekend, you get your newsletter. For those of you that have the course already, with deeper insight about trend drawing and a much deeper insight how to make a perfect trade management. So at the end of the week, you have it in your course. You will get a newsletter before with a kind of description. Because I promised you, all of those, they grab the course, they invest their money in the course. It's a lifetime license. It's a progressing course. It's not a marketing course where I can explain, buy this one and buy this one. No, this is a real education course. You learn everything, and maybe there are more updates in the future to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Okay, let's go to euro dollar. And in hourly chart, there is just one downtrend, and we are still short and really deep in profit. This long trend is wrong, by the way. This is, you see, it's just an indicator, but it's not perfect. So it's still under development. And maybe this indicator is the first worldwide first indicator which fulfills the rules of logic in trend drawing, but it's still kind of failures in it, but because this is not a long trend, because the long trend must be running this way. So we don't have a running trend right now on the long side. So therefore, you need to learn how to draw the trend by your own. Otherwise, it's not really working for you. So in euro dollar, we are still short, and there is no long for the moment. What's about 4 hourly chart? In 4 hourly chart, there is just a down. And as we talked about, there was the perfect entry here. There was your balance candles in trend on number 2. And now you're really lovely in profit. And as a trend follower, you have a stop loss here, so you cannot lose money. So if you take money, or if you take half of your money, if you sell half of the position, let the rest running, it's just up to you. It's a kind of working style. In the course and in my DowHow family, I train everything about this stuff. So the point, what you need to do as a trader, as a real trader, on the right edge of the chart, you have to know that you have a profitable system, and on the right edge of the chart, you have to know when, what, how, and why do you have to do something on the right side. There is no time for guessing. There is no time and no space, by the way, to struggle, to doubt on something. You need to know what you do, what you have to do at any time, and how and why. That's the point. Okay, let's come to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you should have opened a lovely short position, because there was the chance to go short here, trend of number 2. The price came back, took you out here, and there was a great chance before the 0.2 was happening to go short. Your stop loss is in profit. You should be still in. It's a running short position. Bitcoin, yeah, also, but in the meantime, we reached the 0.2 already. In the meantime, if you reach the 0.2, then you are out without a loss. And now you're waiting for the next balance candle and then short again. Gold, it's still short. And I told you very often, it's a really wonderful trend following. Entry there or entry there, and stop loss actually there. You can take half, can sell half of the position, whatever there is, but it's not longer a loss. So, and there is no uptrend yet, so nothing happens. And last but not least, another perfect example for trend following. So long is not working, short, the entry was there, here, and we reached the 0.2, we break through the 0.2, that was time to trail the stop into profit. Yeah, and now it depends if you get out here or not. It's depends from the spread and your data feed. It could be positive. If not, be happy, it's working. If you get out without a loss because you trailed the stop into entry, then you could see, okay, there was another balance candle again. So therefore, there was the next short chance, and now you have an open short position again. Yeah, with the first stop loss is again here at the last 0.3. Yeah, and maybe you get out here when the price came back so far. Okay, so but now you have an open short position because the rules are still there. Okay, guys, let's go back to my running trades in daily chart. Arabica, coffee, still long. Be careful. There is a balance candle, and this happens yesterday. That means there must be a stop sell order on the way down in case the downtrend will continue. The long trend is still running with a stop loss below this last 0.3. Aussie Canadian dollar. Yeah, we came back to the entry. How cool is this? Still running, you know, 70% probability to go back to the 0.2. It's really cool. If you reach 0.2 in case of, then trail the stop into entry, you cannot lose money. Aussie Swiss, oh my gosh, there was a big impact yesterday. Yeah, but to be honest, it is a trend continuation actually, and nothing happens. Your stop loss is in profit. Yeah, if you sell half the position or if you go out, it's just your working style. Canadian Swiss, still short. We see a trend continuation. Yeah, really lovely. Stop is in profit. Yeah. If you trail your stop loss now to this balance candle maybe, or if you leave it here in the entry and you cannot lose money, it's up to your working style. Euro Swiss, yeah, that's really cool, guys, because yeah, short is still running. Yeah, it's a long running trend, but here we go. There was not a trend break from the long. It was just a fake breakout, and that means, yeah, here up is your buy stop order. Yeah, in case that the long trend will continue, and it could happen in 70% of all cases, it happens. So if you want to figure out if this chance is one of the 70% or one of the 30%, which you don't know yet, you have to do it. Euro pound. Yeah, nothing happens. It's a long running trend and it's going up, nothing to do. Euro JPY. Yeah, how cool is this? Yeah. So stop loss for the long is still maybe out. It could be possible that you get out with a small profit, but no loss. Or you trail the stop loss higher to get the money, or selling half the position, whatever it is. But I told you there's a downtrend, and you see the downtrend is in profit now. So it's deep in profit to make it safe, because we have a lot of space to go down, and it's still an uptrend too. Maybe it's a good decision to trail the stop into profit. And so you cannot lose money. You cannot lose money on the long side. You cannot lose money on the short side, but you have always the chance to make a re-entry. Euro Kiwi. Cool. We reached the point 2. I told you. Stop loss in profit, nothing to do. NASDAQ. Again, a little bit in profit. Yeah, we are going to a trend continuation. I told you, re-entry here, running trend. Now, my gosh, US dollar, Canadian dollar, lovely. 6 trend arms right now. How cool is this? And last but not least, dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, we are out without a loss. If you trail the stop, I told you, into the profit, because it's still a long trend also, and you have to protect your money. So therefore, you don't have a loss. It's cool, right? So now you're waiting for a balance candle, because the trend will break at this point 3. There is the break. Yeah, and be careful, there is still a long trend also. It's too major, because the entry has to be here, for example, and then you are still in profit. But be prepared in case that the downtrend will continue. Okay, guys, here we go. That was my position. So, guys, announcement for today. Something changed in my life. This is the last Forex morning call for today. I did it now for around about 3 months, June, July, August, September, almost 4 months. And I can see we have a couple of interesting people. And but up to next week, I have new obligations to do in the morning. So therefore, this is today the last Forex morning call, the daily show. I will do some videos up to next week to inform you about the running trends and so on. I will give you mostly on Monday or Tuesday a video that you can follow the things. If you want to learn trading, then you have the chance to go to my homepage. You can see it here, dowhow-trading.com/TML. Then you find the complete trading course for your success. It was my pleasure, and it was a great honor to lead you to trading through the last 4 months. What I will do is to bring this account back to 10,000 euros, and therefore I need to inform you how it's going on, but not in a daily show, because up to next week I have in the morning other things to do, other obligations. And therefore I want to say thank you for your trust, for your confidence, for your love, whatever you have there, that you spent your precious lifetime with me through the last 3.5 months in this private show. And for that, I wish you all the best for your own future. The English account is going on, of course. And the account is going on, and my YouTube channel in English is going on. It's keep going. So I will serve you with more videos to train you. But if you want to go deeper, there is your chance to grab the course and to work with me directly with the DowHow family. If you want, you can come to DowHow family after the course. We have 3 webinars a week, every morning, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 o'clock, 10:30 for the English one, German 9 a.m., English one, because I make it double, 10:30. And therefore, let's say thank you for your precious lifetime. I wish you all the best for your trading, for your life. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See you at any time.